Morning, Scott Crothers.
Good morning, McGraw.
All right, I don't care about anybody else, but financials were up big yesterday, weren't they?
Financials had a good day yesterday. Now, back to everybody else. The Dow was up about 21 points and closed at 21,553. It was a light day after the big run-up, but we saw strength in technology and financials. Retail stocks were also higher after Target gave positive guidance. Wholesale inflation rose 0.1% last month, a bit higher than expected, and the yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury rose to 2.348%.
All right.
So not a bad day.
All right, let's get to some news. Peak Entertainment, who are they?
That's Wildwood-based Peak Entertainment, the owner and operator of 14 ski resorts, including Hidden Valley. Now, they reported earnings yesterday. For the year, they had $123.2 million in revenue. They made a profit of $441,000, or 3 cents a share. They were founded back in 1997 and have 630 full-time employees.
That's a lot of money for such a small profit, right?
That is. Well, $123 million in revenue and $441,000 in profit just tells you how hard it is to make money with your ski slope.
Yeah, especially when it doesn't snow.
Yeah, that's true.
Target, what are we hearing from them?
Now, Target now expects same-store sales to increase this quarter due to increased foot traffic. They had originally forecasted a decline in same-store sales, so this is pretty big news. Same-store sales is a key metric for retailers, so investors took this as a positive sign for most retailers. Target also increased their earnings per share estimates. They report earnings in about a month.
All right, and then that's what about J.P. Morgan?
J.P. Morgan, they reported strong earnings this morning, setting a good tone for bank earnings. They beat on both the top and bottom line as strong lending offset slightly lower trading revenue. J.P. Morgan CEO said the U.S. consumer is strong, as evident by the increase in lending. Revenue came in at $26.41 billion, and they made a profit of $1.82 a share.
Yeah, that's a little more like it. All right, what are we doing with the markets today?
Well, today the Dow looks flat. The good earnings from J.P. Morgan is giving the market a lift. Hopefully it'll carry over to the rest of the market. Next week, we really get into earnings season, so we'll see a lot more earnings next week.
Scott Crothers and Stifel Nicholas, have yourself a good day. Talk to you next Monday.
Hey, sounds good.
You got it. At 6:42.